What's going on, guys? For today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be cleaning / restoring these Air Force One high tops that I got at the thrift store. I don't know if you consider Plato's Closet a thrift store, but I got them from there for only $20. I think originally these are $100, but I'm going to clean these up and then customize them. They're size 11, so if you want to buy them, you can message me on Instagram at SneakerSniperCustoms. In the near future, I'm going to be doing a series where I start with $100 and turn it into $1,000 by restoring and reselling shoes. So this is kind of similar to what I'll be doing. I'm still going to be doing custom videos. I'm just going to post this series in addition to that. But make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. These shoes aren't in horrible condition, but they definitely need to be cleaned up. There's some scuff marks throughout the shoes. The sock liner looks pretty dirty, as well as the stitching, and the bottoms are dirty. So I'm going to do my best to make them look brand new. And the only products that I'm going to use are water, laundry detergent, and bleach. And I might need to use some Salon Care 40, but I'm not sure about that yet. Either way, I've got a lot of work ahead of me, so let's get started with the video. For the video, I'm just going to clean one of the shoes so I can do a side-by-side comparison of before and after cleaning. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the strap and the laces so we can clean those separately. Now I'm going to mix some laundry detergent with some water to create my cleaning solution. With a brush, I'm going to scrub down the entire shoe thoroughly to remove any dirt that might be on the surface. If you don't have a brush like this, you can use an old toothbrush. The bottoms of the shoe have a layer of dirt on them that won't come off with a regular brush, so I picked up a brush with steel bristles, which should take care of it. You can buy these at any local car shop for only a couple of dollars. You can see that it makes a huge difference after only a few seconds of scrubbing. I did the rest off camera, but now the soles look new again. Now to clean the laces, I have to remove the metal Air Force One piece, but once that's off, I'm just going to soak the laces in the cleaning solution and then use my hands to wring out the water. Before I put them through the washer, I used a toothbrush to rub some bleach into the sock liner and any of the mesh areas, which will make them extra white. Now they're ready to go through the wash along with the laces and the strap, but make sure to set the water to cold when you run them through. So here's what the shoes look like originally, and this is what they look like after. Everything is back to white and the shoes look brand new again. Now it's time to customize them. Using some acetone, I'm going to rub down the area of the shoe that I'm going to be painting. I'm doing a Simpsons themed custom, so I printed out a picture of Homer that I'm going to cut out. You really don't need to be able to draw to do cartoon characters. You can just use this method to trace everything, and as long as you can color inside the lines, it'll turn out pretty good. Once I had my cutout, I taped it down and traced around it with a pencil. For the other shapes, I'm going to do the same thing where I cut it out and then trace it with my pencil. Now I have everything drawn onto the shoe, so I can begin to color it in with some Angelus paint. To do the shading details, I mixed the paints to make them slightly darker and then blended it back into the original color. Now with the ink pen, I went around and outlined all the pencil marks to finish up the painting. When you're using a pen on a shoe, make sure that you apply heat to dry the ink so you don't accidentally spread it around. Now the first shoe is done, and I could have done the same painting on the other shoe, but I decided to paint Bart instead. So now I'm just going to repeat the same process as before to draw and then paint Bart. Here's the final product. Both shoes are now finished, so let's see how they look.